What?
It's Kevin. Is my disguise that good? I told you, it's me.
Kevin can never grow a mustache like that.
It's fake, Mr. Kickass.
Oh, yeah? Let me see. Oh!
Yeah, it's fucking fake.
Kevo, when'd you get here?
I just got here. It's me.
Who are you?
Mr. Kickass, it's me. It's Kevin.
Who's me?
It's Kevin.
Kevo can never grow a mustache like that.
God damn it. Oh my god. Okay, Mr. Kickass.
Kevo, when'd you get here?
I've been here. It's me. I've been It's literally.
Since when?
I'm
Don't
the guy.
sneak up on me like that. Now, what is it? Spit it out.
I just want to know what kind of updates have gone on.
Oh, we had a terrorist attack where 2 old hags from the bog tried to... Who are you?
Sayonara.
You can... Oh, fuck, there's styrofoam. Alright. Ah! Is that a fucking sword? Oh my god. Holy shit! Is it every... God damn! That's a motherfucking Zelda's... Oh my god, it's actually legit as fuck. It's actually fucking heavy. Does it actually unsheath? Oh my god, it unsheaths. It's a fucking Master Sword. Does it unsheath all the way? No way. Oh! Alright. I got another sword for my fucking collect. This is amazing.
You were like the nattiest motherfucker I've ever met. You want to buy some drugs or what?
Oh, what kind of drugs?
Got some oxy. You want to send them away?
What the hell's an oxy? Like an ox, the thing that pulls a wagon?
Damn, keep it down. Keep it down.
Why?
It's illegal.
Why are you doing illegal things here? You know I work here, right? I'm a floor manager here. No, look at me and tell me what you're doing.
Listen, all right?
No, go ahead. Try and claw your way out of this one.
All I'm saying all I'm saying is
Take a good look. Take a good.
You want to have a good time.
Yeah, I'm pretty cool too. Name's Kevin. Big fan of cigarettes. I work at Burger Shot. I flip burgers, and I yell at people. And I got business calls. Hello?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wait, you actually...
Kind of a boring.
Kev? The
Fuck.
hell?
Hold on 1 second.
Are you hitting on me?
No! I can't.
Okay.
Oh my god. I actually thought it was an NPC!
And it doesn't. Nice. I think it literally doesn't. Nope, it doesn't. It literally just doesn't fit. There's nothing I can do for it. Is that better? This is the Sennheiser wireless mic.
You want rice or do you want ramen?
Yeah, dude. Rice. Why is it bad, chat? Chat, is it bad?
This shit was pretty fun for like a couple of days. A week or two? Come on, you gotta give it up. That shit was fun. It's kind of like Dark Souls 2, you know? That shit was fun for a while.
Thank you.
But I mean, no one's gonna admit to being a fan. Hell no. People are gonna look at you with... I think what they're trying to do is they're trying to make it seem like they give a fuck about the community, so they get random dudes to like talk in their gaming chair about Blizzard. But the real truth is Blizzard is like a super monster, right? There's no connection at all between Blizzard and any kind of community.
Thank you.
It's like a Chinese-owned super monster company, like Godzilla. It's a Godzilla gaming company. So, to me, when a company like that puts stuff like this out, it doesn't feel even close to genuine to me. Like, what are you trying to do? It's like a disguise. Like, dude, everyone sees you here. Show us what we want to see, bitch. We know you're here. You don't have to wear that fucking outfit.
Thank you.
In Japanese, and it was fucked up in English, muted. But now they fucked up both? What the fuck, bitch? Dude, I will reach through the internet and strangle you. This is not a fucking break. Go watch Lucari or xQc or some shit if you want to do that L shit. Alright? Or wait for a break. I'm in the middle of thinking, alright? I already got 10 fucking Japanese voices in here. The last thing I need is 2 fucking MILFs slam dancing. Alright?
Where's Waldo?
Keep that L shit to yourself unless I'm on a break. And I was getting sleepy yesterday, and this guy sent me a message, and it said, how much for the mirror? And I said, it's not for sale. And then I gave it to him. I responded, sorry, it's not for sale. And then instead of declining it, I accepted it. And it was for 1 orb of scouring.
Thank you.
Prepared for shit like this.
Y'all can meme all you want for clout on here, but that's so fucked up. Nah, I don't want to hear shit. That's fucked.
No, think about it. Realistically, what do you need to survive? Food, water, heat.
We barely survived. You're lucky this electricity is on. If this wasn't on, you'd be miserable like we have in the last 3 days.
Right, but we didn't have blankets. I could survive weeks with the blanket that I have now. I could survive weeks. I'm not kidding.
You want to survive weeks? Because all of us make fucking $2.6 million a year playing fucking video games.
Who makes $2.6 million? Back up a little bit.
What the fuck are you talking about, bro? Half these motherfuckers make $25,000 a year.
And they have kids.
Right.
And they got kids. Man, fuck that. I don't like that high-roading bullshit. You're in a $2.5 million house talking like that. That's easy to talk like that.
No. That's a house is a house with no power. A house is equal to another house.
No shot.
They don't have...
For Connor over the past few years. And I am going to let you know that I have made the decision myself. I've talked about it to Connor, and Connor is no longer allowed at my house ever again.
Slick just went like this and was close to Train, and Train was like, you better back the fuck up, boy. Like, you're... like, the only reason I'm not hitting you right now is so I don't fuck up the dynamic in this household right now, okay? You understand that? Like, you don't do that. I'm a 30-year-old man. Like, you don't come up to a 30-year-old man that you barely know and grab his head like you're gonna make him suck his cock. Like, that's not...
Holy shit.
His lower half of the PJs say 6-year-old. His upper half of his PJs say 48-year-old. At that moment, I knew this motherfucker, bro. I gotta spend as much time as I can with Maya and Miz, because I'm gonna be turning on the news one of these days. It's gonna be one of those Amityville horrors, you know?
He thinks that Slick is going to commit a murder-suicide against everybody in the house.
Bro, I'm telling you, man, I am listen.
It's because of his drip. He doesn't have enough drip.
Bro.
It's his drip. No, admit it's his drip. If he was wearing something nicer, you wouldn't think it's his drip.
Nah, bro.
It's
this
the
guy, I'm telling you, bro.
He dresses the same as Miz, though.
Oh, hello.
Nah, bro. Yo, bring him in here, bro. Yo, Slick, come down here, Slick.
Can we bring Slick in here?
Yeah, bring him
All
down
right.
here, bro.
Chat, this is the. So what's up, man?
Alright, stop.
What?
Oh
What?
my
What?
God.
Relax, guys. What's up, buddy? How you doing, man?